All right, so with this trimmer right here, it's pretty easy. There's no screwdrivers, really nothing that you need other than a little elbow grease to restring it with. So let's dive into this, and really I just got to unlock it like that, pop the core out or the spindle, keep that thing in there, and you're going to take your cord. You can buy big spools yourself or you can do pre-cuts. It's whichever's up to you. And I got a pre-cut one, and I'm just going to go ahead and feed. There's a little hole right there. It's right here that you just feed it through, and as you're feeding it through, just make sure it's even. And then from there, if you got the same Ryobi I have, you got to make sure these little gear things are facing upward when you drop it in. All right, so this apparently fits in a specific way, so put this cap on before you drop it in. Don't be like me and do super noob shit. All right, there we go. All right, so it took 7 days to do this, and I'm 42 years old now. All right, so now that this is in, we're gonna go ahead and just install this real quick. And there's a reason why I didn't wind it up right now. And then now what I do is I just put pressure, lock it in like so. Let me go ahead and get the little winding tool that it came with, and we'll figure that out. All right, should have been a little bit more prepared. Here's that little winding tool. And then from there, I'm just gonna hold it, and then I'm just gonna spin it up like this. Now, one, you can clip these, or two, you can let this blade part right here hit it and cut it, but you know, you don't have to. There, this is totally fine. And now that we got this strung, I think it's strung, this is ready for another couple months of use. And since I have this attachment, which is the edger, this actually is going to save me a lot of string, because I lose most of my string edging, and I also don't know how to edge in a straight line. I had to buy this. It's a cheat, but it works really good, and the edges are pretty sharp with it. So this just attaches. This one was about 79 bucks, so this was about 80 bucks. Again, if you can't afford it, it's not necessary. It does make life a little bit easier, especially if your edges are overgrown. But other than that, it's unnecessary, but it's nice to have. So let's dive into the next one. And again, another obvious, but these three tools are the tools that I actually pull out every single time. So I think it's worth noting. So let's dive right into that one. So if you do enjoy the content, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, like, drop a comment, do whatever you like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.